The price of GRT will fall by $0.002496 during the following 7 days, reaching $0.089948 on September 5, 2023, according to our graph price forecast. If you are looking for the graph market estimate analysis or price prediction, you are probably interested in knowing where the price of the graph GRT might go in the future. We attempted to forecast how prices would move in the future by utilizing several machine-based algorithms. The purpose of this price forecast is to answer the majority of your questions. Will the graph GRT reach its all-time high ADH again? How much will the graph be worth a month later? Should I buy the graph right now? Price forecast. We will use a number of GRT technical indicators to make a guess about the price of the graph price predictions for the graph GRT. Because GRT has been going up this past week, buyers in the graph have seen returns of more than 1.5% on their money. The graph GRT displays historical pricing as well as a market analysis. The graph is currently worth USD 0.092444 and ranks 44th among all cryptocurrencies. There are now 9,167,632,874 graph coins in circulation, with a total market value of $841,059,892. The price of the graph has gone up by 2.6% in the last 24 hours. Over the past week, the graph has grown steadily, adding 1.55%. Investors in the graph are happy about the return on their investment this week. Because of this rise in the last 30 days, the price of GRT fell by 17.65 or 0.019813 from what it was worth before, which was $0.112257. Right now the graph is in a dip. Because of this downturn, the diagram GRT forecasts pricing and market movements. Because so many other factors influence the graph's price, it's difficult to predict where it will be in the future. As a result, you shouldn't take the predictions on our website as financial advice. Instead, you should conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Consult your financial advisor. The GRT price prediction for 2023. As the market begins to recover from the crypto winter, we believe the graph will reach its peak price of USD 0.166399. The anticipated low price is $0.110933, while the average price is around $0.138666. GRT price prediction for 2024. As the graph continues to reach new highs, our model predicts that in 2024, the graph could reach a maximum price of $0.258843, while the average price for the year will remain around $0.23111. If there is a bear market, the GRT price forecast for 2025 can only go as low as $0.203376 in 2024. We estimate the graph will have risen significantly by 2025 as crypto becomes more prominent in numerous business industries, with the price reaching as high as $0.351287 on average. The graph GRT price forecast for 2026 might be purchased for at least $0.29582. If money continues to flow into the crypto market, the graph could be worth a high of $0.44373 and an average of $0.415997 in 2026. If there is a sell-off, the lowest price we anticipate is $0.388264. GRT price prediction for 2027. With GRT being used in countries all over the world, the graph predicts a maximum price of $0.536 $174 by 2027 and an average price of USD 0.508441. The lowest price for the same year might be as low as USD 0.480708. GRT price prediction for 2028. By 2028, the number of people utilizing the graph will continue to grow, and policymakers will recognize that crypto is here to stay. By 2028, investors can expect the price of GRT to range between $0.628618 and $0.5573152, with an average price of $0.600885. Due to the increase over the last 5 years, there will be another huge bull market in 2029, which means that investors in the graph may see GRT reach a high of $0.721062 before falling to an average of $0.693329. Based on our technical study, the lowest price we can think of for graph GRT in 2030 is $0.665596. Based on how the market feels, GRT is expected to continue rising until it hits $0.813506. If this support is not identified, the graph may have a mean of $0.785773 and a low of $0.75804. GRT price prediction for 2031. This year will be remembered for the graph because in 2031, we estimate GRT will reach a new ADH of 0.90595 and the graph's new minimum price might be $0.850483. In the worst-case scenario, GRT would terminate in 2031 at $0.878217. Frequently asked questions concerning graph price prediction. What is the current price of the graph GRT? The graph GRT is currently trading at $0.092444, with a market capitalization of $841,59892. How much do you think the graph will cost in 2023? The highest predicted price for the graph in 2023 is $0.166399. Should I purchase the GRT graph? Now that we have looked at the technical signs for the graph, we believe that there may be a small correction in the next few days. Investors who want to buy GRT should wait until then. Is it a good idea to buy the graph GRT based on where the graph is going? Our fundamental analysis shows that this cryptocurrency is a good investment at the moment. Is it a good idea to put money into the graph GRT based on our price prediction and analysis? We believe that the graph GRT, Bitcoin, BTC, historical price and market analysis. The current price of Bitcoin is $25,979.16, and it is currently ranked number 1 out of all cryptocurrencies. The amount of supply currently in circulation for Bitcoin is 19,475,043, with a total market capitalization of $504,529,003,365. In the past 24 hours, the price of Bitcoin has increased by 0.51%. Bitcoin has experienced a hard time gaining momentum over the past 7 days, down 0.51%. BTC is showing bearish signs this week. Now could be a good time to invest if you are thinking of buying Bitcoin. Within the last 30 days, the price of BTC dropped by 11.32%. Reducing its previous value of $29,295.40 by $3,316.